Umphathi wezezimali kwezomthetho uKhosi Mampuru uveze ukuthi ingaphezu kwa-R135 million imali esetshenziswe kuma-task force ezintweni ezinje ngezindawo zokuhlala, ukudla kanye nama-overtime kusukela ngonyaka ka-2020 kuya unyaka ka-2025. Ukusho lokhu namhlanje kwiMadlanga Commission ePretoria.
Teams, these are the figures that we will then utilize. You will note that since 2018-19 up to this year, September, in the last column, that your biggest cost driver in terms of the work of this team would be on the line item called overtime, as well as travel and subsistence, in the main, the accommodation. The members of the team may not necessarily come from KwaZulu-Natal. It will be members that come from head office and elsewhere, and you need to then accommodate those members and pay the accommodation fees. They do work overtime. That is why you will see those two line items being a little bit on an increased trend. You do have a few items there in terms of their incidental costs, as well as from time to time those that will require to travel, they will then travel. When you look at the last year, 25-26 on overtime, you will note that there is a zero. It does not mean that the team has not performed and claimed overtime. We will soon be processing their claims, and there will be an expenditure in relation to this financial year. So they are continuously working, currently working, and I am certain that those claims are currently being processed, and you will soon then record expenditure in that regard. So overtime, travel, as well as issues of their meals will be the line items that you will note a bit of an increase in terms of those expenditures.